plus u by 2. Okay, this is the formula, average velocity formula, v plus u by 2. But we know what is average velocity, it is nothing but displacement by time. Okay, displacement by time, what is here, from this average velocity, value of average velocity is this one. Okay, substitute here v plus u by 2 equal to, what is distance, s. Okay, sorry, displacement, here it is a s divided by t. Okay, now take this as equation 2. After that, if you manipulate this equations 1 and 2, put v, this value u plus at in equation 2. ఓకే, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశారనుకోండి, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్, వాట్ ఈస్ v వాల్యూ హియర్, u ప్లస్ at. ఓకే, u ప్లస్ at ప్లస్ u డివైడెడ్ బై 2 ఈక్వల్ టు s బై t. u ప్లస్ u is nothing but 2u plus at divided by 2 equal to s by t. Okay, from here ut plus wait for a few minutes, do cross multiplication here, 2u plus at into t equal to 2s. Okay, from here what you will get, 2ut plus at square equal to 2s. Okay, from here s equal to 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2. This 2 will get cancelled, s equal to ut plus half at square. This is nothing but a displacement formula. Okay, for a motion of a body. Okay, for a given motion of a body. After that, from equation v equal to u plus at, here we get from here what, t equal to v minus u by a. Yes or no, v minus u by a. Now what you have to do, this value t, whatever the t value is there, just substitute in equation 2. Okay, substitute in equation 2, t value. Yes, what is this equation, I am substituting here, v plus u by 2 equal to s by v minus u by a. Okay, if you do this division will get here, if you transpose this, it will become as multiplication, v plus u by 2 into v minus u by a equal to s. Okay, from here if you do if you multiply that one, finally you will get what, v plus u v minus u divided by 2a equal to s, v square minus vu plus vu minus u square divided by 2a equal to s, plus vu minus vu get cancelled. From here v square minus u square equal to 2as you will get. This is one more equation. Okay, very important equations, this one and this one. After that, this v equal to u plus at is there. Okay, and this, this is one equation, and this is one more equation, this is one more equation. Total these three equations are very important. Once check in your textbook. Okay, if you are having any doubt, once practice, so that you will be very clear. Okay, and here the sign conventions rules are also there. It is a positive direction, and here negative direction. Wherever the origin is there, that is a displacement will be 0. Okay, if you move this side, that will be a positive direction. If you move this side, it will be a negative direction. Okay, this is nothing but and here one lab activity is there, it is no need, we'll do in lab if you have. Okay, This is about your second chapter, and here laws of motion is also there. No need worry about this laws of motion ma. We'll learn this chapter in next class. Okay, if you are having any questions in from here, just I'll change the question from there. Okay, this is about your FA2, sorry, weekend syllabus of second chapter. Clear? Read second chapter thoroughly. If you are having any questions from third chapter, I'll change the questions. Okay, this is about your second chapter. We'll meet in next class ma. Thank you.